Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the Thermomix TM6 locking system. In this video, we will walk you through the essential steps to ensure your device functions safely and effectively. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the tools you will need for this process. You will require a small Phillips screwdriver, a microfiber cloth for cleaning, and possibly a pair of tweezers for removing small components. Start by ensuring your Thermomix TM6 is unplugged. Safety is paramount when dealing with any kitchen appliance. Once it's unplugged, inspect the locking mechanism located at the top of the mixing bowl. It's essential to keep this area clean to prevent any malfunctions. Using your microfiber cloth, gently wipe away any debris or food particles that may have accumulated around the locking system. Next, let's examine the screws that hold the lid in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them to reassemble the lid later. If you encounter any resistance while unscrewing, double-check that you're using the correct size screwdriver to avoid stripping the screws. Once the screws are out, you can lift the lid off. This gives you access to the internal components. Take a moment to visually inspect the locking mechanism. Look for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice any broken parts, it's crucial to replace them to ensure the safety of your device. If you feel uncertain about handling this process, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help identify any issues without charging you a dime. Now, as you continue to inspect the locking mechanism, you may want to clean the internal area around the locking pins. Use your microfiber cloth or tweezers to remove any stubborn debris. Keeping this area clean is vital for the locking system to operate smoothly. After cleaning and inspecting, it's time to reassemble the lid. Carefully place it back onto the bowl, ensuring that it aligns properly with the locking mechanism. Reinsert the screws, tightening them gently to avoid over-tightening, which can damage the lid. With the lid back in place, plug your Thermomix TM6 back in and test the locking system. Make sure it clicks securely into place. If you experience any issues, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide pickup and delivery at your home for any needed repairs, making the process hassle-free for you. No calls, no travel, just convenient service at your doorstep. Finally, if you need a quote before repair, our team is ready to assist you. Understanding the cost upfront can help you make informed decisions about your Thermomix maintenance. That concludes our guide on the Thermomix TM6 locking system. Remember, regular maintenance not only prolongs the life of your device but also ensures that you continue to create delicious meals safely. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.